Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Snapchat open. Start by updating the app and granting contacts permission so names match phone numbers. Once done, tap your profile icon and then the settings gear to access privacy controls. Make sure contacts are synced. This reduces duplicates and missing people. You're beginning the list now. Scan recent chats and story viewers to identify candidates. This quick preparation saves time later because Snapchat uses recent interactions to suggest close friends automatically. You'll create the list by tapping your Bitmoji or profile, then selecting close friends or private story depending on your goal. These pathways both let you build a curated set. Next, add members from recents or search, type a name to find them quickly, and confirm additions. Use emojis or a custom list name to mark groups for different contexts. This helps you control who sees certain snaps. Because Snapchat prioritizes recent interactions, adding people you message often keeps the list relevant and active. Finish by double-checking story and privacy settings so only your close friends see reserved snaps. Once satisfied, send a test snap or post a close friend story to confirm visibility. If someone shouldn't be there, remove them instantly from the close friends screen. They won't be notified. If changes don't appear, force close the app and reopen. Next, toggle contacts permission, and as a last resort, reinstall Snapchat. This sequence solves sync problems while keeping your curated circle private and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.